Good day, everyone. Let us examine this question. It says, if x varies directly as the cube root of y. Now, let us interpret this first. Now, we have x varies directly as the cube root of y. The cube root of y can be written as this. This is cube root. Cube means 3, that's power of 3, and there is a root here. So from here we have x equals to, let's put k, then you have the cube root of y. This k here is a constant, and we know that from the question our x is 16 and y equals to 8. So this means that here, wherever we see x we put 16, and wherever we see y we put 8. So we have 16 equals to k times the cube root of 8. So we now have 16 equals to k times the cube root of 8 means what will you multiply in 3 places that will give us 8? So that will be 2 times 2 times 2. Now among these 3 numbers we only need only 1. So that means we have 2. So to get our k we divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 8. So our k here equals to 8. But the question says to find the log connecting x and y. So how do we do that? You come back to this step and say that your x equals to, instead of putting k, we have 8, the cube root of y. So we call this the law, or the formula that we are asked to look for. Then from here, this is question 1. Questions 2 says you find x when our y equals to 27. So that means that from our law, anywhere you see y, you put 27. You now have x equals to 8 times the cube root of 27. So what does that mean again? So from there we have our x equals to 8 times the cube root of 27 is 3. That means 3 times 3 times 3. So we have x equals to 8 times 3 will give us 24. Now that's question 2. The number 3 says that we should find y when x is 1. So we are coming back to the law here. Our x is 1 equals to our 8 times the cube root of y. Okay, to get this we have over 8 over 8. So 8 cancel 8. So from here we can now say that the cube root of y equals to 1 over 8. To get our y, what do? We cube both sides. So that this cube will cancel the cube root. So y will now be equals to 1 times 1 over 8 times 8 times 8. So y equals to 1 times 1 is 1 over 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 times 8 will give us 512. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.